You suffer from the negative effects of a poor credit rating? Have you been declined for a mortgage, auto loan, or even a credit card? Did you know that a poor credit score can even interfere with some job applications? Worse yet, the stress that comes from having credit problems can take a real toll on your overall health and well-being. Perhaps you've made some less than ideal financial decisions in the past. Or, like many others, your credit report may even contain mistakes that can be almost impossible to remove. That is, unless you have a credit repair expert on your side. Every day we change lives by legally helping to clean up credit history. Imagine, not only being approved for credit loans, even a mortgage, but actually qualifying for lower interest rates. Imagine the relief that you could experience with an improved credit history. It's time to restore your credit in your life again. We can help.